Welcome to the ultimate Python programming tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to coding or looking to solidify your foundation, this comprehensive video will walk you through Python's fundamental concepts, syntax, and best practices. What you'll learn in this video will cover everything you need to get started with Python programming. Introduction to Python. Understand what Python is, its history, and why it's a popular programming language in various domains. Setting up your environment. Learn how to install Python on your system and set up a coding environment using popular code editors. Python syntax. Dive into Python's clean and readable syntax. Explore how to write comments, declare variables, and work with different data types. Control structures. Discover how to control the flow of your program using conditional statements, if, elif, else, and loops, for and while. Functions. Explore the power of functions, how to define them, pass arguments, and return values. Learn the importance of modular code. Lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Understand these fundamental data structures and how to manipulate and iterate through them. String manipulation. Learn essential string operations, including concatenation, slicing, and formatting. File handling. Discover how to read from and write to files using Python, enabling data persistence. Exception handling. Master the art of handling errors and exceptions gracefully in your programs. Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Get a glimpse of OOP concepts like classes, objects, attributes, and methods. Best practices. Learn coding conventions and best practices to write clean, readable, and maintainable Python code. Why learn Python? Python's versatility and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. It's widely used in web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, scientific research, and more. Learning Python sets you on a path to a world of opportunities in tech and beyond.